Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to upload files to your website in HostGator, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you literally everything you need to know. So without further ado, let's climb into it. So let's upload these files. On the left hand side, you can go to hosting, and once you're in hosting, you can scroll down slightly and we're going to see a quick link on the right hand side over here to our cPanel. Now once we are in our cPanel, we'll be able to manage quite a bit more. We're going to go down underneath files. You'll see file manager, and within here you are going to look for the public HTML. Double click that and we are now in our website. Now right at the top you can add a new folder if you'd like, but for now we're going to click on upload, and this will allow us to first of all have the option to select files or drag and drop files in this area over here, and then you can also overwrite existing files. If you are adding files that already exist, you'd like to just update them. So let's go ahead and click on select file and select some files. Right, I have got a zip file over here. I've just uploaded this and you can see it has completed. So just over here at the bottom it says go back to your path. You will see it just over here. Now this is the file. We obviously need to make sure that it is zipped, so we are clicking on it, and on the top in our menu you'll see extract. It just shows you what it's going to be extracting. It is now extracting the files. You can see over here that is what it's extracting. We're going to say close, and your files have now been extracted. You've now successfully uploaded files to HostGator.